So my Audi A4 2007, the battery died. I left the lights on, the battery died. I replaced the battery with a non-Audi battery, and the key fob quit working. So it wouldn't lock, unlock, or pop the trunk. So what I had to do was put the key into the door and hit the lock button, and then you turn it to lock. And then you push the unlock button and turn it back to unlock. Then you get in your car. You turn it just that way, not all the way on. And it should be all reset. So now my car is working again. Trunk. Lock. Unlock. Everything's working again. Okay, to make sure that it's not the battery in the key fob, you'll see the light. See the little red light in the right corner? Make sure that comes on. Thanks. Good luck, guys.